Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. So in this semester, I am going to teach you compiler design and the subject code is CS8602. Okay, compiler design and CS8602. So what is compiler and what is the objective of compiler design? Last semester, I taught you about theory of computation. So many ideas from the theory of computation going to take for the compiler design subject. Okay, so we studied regular expression and finite automata and Turing machine and push down automata machine in the last semester. So all the concepts we are taking to design a compiler design, and the main objective of compiler design is to design a compiler. We need a compiler design subjects. Okay, so what is compiler? Compiler, what is compiler? Okay. Compiler is a tool which is used to convert source program into machine level program. We can say high level program into low level program. Low level program. Okay. So what is high level program? High level program is the ordinary English language program. For example, we are writing many programs, right? For example, addition of two programs. In an ordinary English word, we are writing program. That is called as a high level program. What is low level program? Low level program is a machine understandable program. Okay, so you know computer understands zeros and ones, right? So this digital format only computer understand. So high level program is ordinary English program, but machine understand only the low level program, that is zeros, ones, etc. So to make the low level program or a machine understand, we need a communication things, right? So that is called as a compiler. So compiler is used to convert high level program into low level program, or we can say English program into English level program into digital level program, zeros and ones, etc. Okay. Okay. Or another definition we will say compiler is a tool which is used to convert source program into machine program. Okay, source program, high level program or English level program, everything is same, and low level program or machine level program, that everything is same. Okay, so this is the duty of the compiler. And another one, the same one is called as interpreter. Interpreter. So what is interpreter? Interpreter duty is also the same as converting one program into one level of program into another level of program, that is high level program into low level program. But what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? This is very important, you should understand. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? So I told you the compiler duty is convert into source program into machine level program, okay, or one type of program into another type of program. The interpreter is also the same, doing the same duty, that is converting source program into low level machine level program. And the difference between compiler and interpreter is compiler is convert all the program at the same time. For example, we have 10 lines of program. First it scans the program and immediately it convert into low level program. Okay, but interpreter scans line by line program. I mean, in a program it scans line by line execution. That is, it checks the first line. If there is an error, it indicates to the user or a programmer, and once the programmer is correct the error, then it scans the second line of the program. Understand? Okay, but the compiler is, it scans all the program and it tells this line we have an error, or it tells the fourth line we have a error, etc. But interpreter, it checks one by one and it indicates the error. First it checks the first line of code and it says if there is an error, it says here it is an error. So what the programmer want to do is, the programmer once they correct the error, then only the interpreter goes to the second line. That is line by line execution, that is interpreter. But compiler, it scans the entire program first and then it's converted into machine level program. So what is the use of compiler? Which one is best? Compiler is best or interpreter is best? Compiler is best, because compiler, it scans every program, all the lines of program first, and it indicates the error. Okay, so the programmer will do same time it will check the programmer will correct the error, but the interpreter it scans line by line the program. Okay, so this is the compiler and the interpreter. Okay, so next one is language pre-processing system. This is the very important question, language pre-processing system. So this is the structure of the language pre-processing system. First one is preprocessor, second one is compiler, third one is assembler, fourth one is loader and linker. Okay, so the preprocessor, compiler, assembler, loader and linker. So this structure, what it tells is to convert source program into machine level program. Okay, so we need these things. First one is preprocessor. What is meant by preprocessor is the duty of preprocessor, it breaks the program into pieces. Okay, for example, I have 10 lines of program or 50 lines of program, 100 lines of program. The duty of preprocessor is it breaks the program into small pieces. Okay, so that we will call as tokens, etc. Okay, so the duty of preprocessor is it breaks the program into small pieces, or we will call as tokens. Okay, and it gives to the compiler. I told you what is the duty of compiler. Compiler is to convert one level of program or source program, English level program into another level of program, that is machine level program. Okay, so that is the duty of the compiler. So it converts preprocessor, it creates the token, then the input of the token is given to the compiler, it converts one level of program into another level of program, and it given to the assembler. The duty of assembler is it convert into assembly language program. Okay, assembly language program. We studied mnemonics, move a comma b, that is called as assembly language program. Okay, the assembler is it convert the source program into assembly language program. Then it gives the loader and linker. The duty of loader and linker is all the programs are not saved in a sequential memory location. It's saved in a different memory location, and the loader is used to load the program into the memory, load the codes into the memory or program into the memory, and linker it takes some header files or external files to execute the program, right. So all the header files or external packages takes from the loader, and it links to the executable file. Can you understand? And finally it converts into the machine level program. So this is the way we have a compiler. Okay, so real time we have lots of compilers. We have for every programming language we need a compiler. Java we have a compiler, Java compiler. C we have a C compiler. Python, all the programs we need a compiler. Okay, so this is the language pre-processing system, very important question, and in a university they will ask us a separate questions, pre-processor, or the 2 marks they will ask what is compiler, what is assembler, what is the duty of loader and linker, etc. they will ask. Okay, so once again we should know in this chapter you should know what is compiler, what is assembler, what is loader and linker, what is preprocessor, and what is source program, source code, what is machine program or machine code, and what is the difference between interpreter and compiler. Okay, for example, if you are going for further studies or further writing exams, you should know the difference between interpreter and the compiler. Okay, the duty of interpreter is it scans the program line by line, but the compiler it scans the entire program and then gives the output. Okay, meanwhile it can check the error also. The next video class I will teach you what are the errors occurs and how it is rectifies. Okay, thank you.